There are three kinds of wisdom. A. The wisdom of listening. This involves mastering the words and meanings of all branches of knowledge. When we speak of wisdom here, whether the secular knowledge of language and logic, arts and medicine, or the spiritual wisdom that concerns a knowledge of the excellent words, the Buddha's teachings, and the treatises that elucidate their meaning, it is a case of the cause being named after the result. We should therefore study extensively so as to not be ignorant in any of these disciplines. B. The wisdom of reflecting. What we have listened to is not to be simply accepted with blind faith. We must use such means as the evidence of scriptural quotations, reasoning based on the evidence of things, and irrefutable proof to thoroughly examine the expedient and ultimate teachings, and the implied and indirect teachings, and thus elicit and reflect on their intended meaning, so that we come to a definite conclusion about them. C. The wisdom of meditating reflection leads to certainty, and the knowledge we have gained has now to be correctly applied to our own minds.